Hello friends, and welcome back to the channel. On this episode, on December 1st, we're going to start off our Elvis Presley Advent calendar project. If you missed the introduction video about this project, there'll be a link here somewhere on the screen where you can go check that out. But today, we're getting this kit started. So real quick, if this is your first time tuning in, welcome and thanks for stopping by. If you wouldn't mind giving this video a thumbs up and clicking that subscribe button down below, I'd really appreciate it. And if you want to be notified every time I upload new content, click the little bell icon down below and you'll get notified every time I upload. And for all of my current subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in all the time. I really appreciate you guys so much. Alright, now let's get this open and take a look and finally see what's inside. Set that over there. All right. First off, we've got this really nice book, and this again is by Christian Steger. I hope that's how you pronounce that name. If not, I apologize. And this is just a really well-made book that's going to walk us through every day of the Advent calendar and the project. All right, now here we have the box, and so each one of these is a small little box that creates this picture, and I believe there might be something on the other side. So let's just go ahead and pull Advent calendar box number 1 here. There we go. On the other side, oh, yep, there is a different picture on the other side. All right, so let's move that up there, and we'll just open box number 1. Okay, so we have what appears to be our base for our display. Nice little piece of plastic. Now we'll go over here to the book, and we will go to page 1. Again, it's half in German, half in English. Basically, this here is telling us about the 37 or 39 Plymouth that the Presley family used when they moved from Tupelo, Mississippi to Memphis in November of 1948. Now, this is just a stock photo, apparently. It's not one of the actual cars. It also talks a little about how they were pretty much very broke at the time, and they didn't have much. Talks about where he lived, and also how he entered the stage for the first time on October 3rd, 1945 in a contest at a festival, and he performed the country song Old Shep in front of about 2,000 spectators. So some really cool information there. And also apparently Elvis owned over his lifetime over 200 cars and at least a dozen motorcycles. All right, so here we have our picture of what we got in package 1, which was the base. And the description basically says, the first box contains the sound base. In the following weeks, you will build your personal Elvis Cadillac diorama around this base. Turn around the box after emptying it. On the back side, you will see the first part of a larger picture that you will put together step by step until Christmas. All right, well, that's pretty cool. We'll take our box and we'll close it up. And we will place it this way. Like so, and eventually we'll have another picture. That's really cool. All right, well, that's it for this episode on December 1st. I will see you guys tomorrow, December 2nd, for another episode, and we will unbox another part of the Advent calendar and see what we get. So until then, friends, I hope you're all having a great day and gearing up for a great Christmas and holiday season. I look forward to seeing you all tomorrow, and until then, just be safe out there and go build something.